Spotless home.
Effortless clean.
Smart solution.
Allergy-free.
Welcome to the future of cleaning. Let's explore how the Lefant M3 robot vacuum is transforming homes.
I'm amazed by its ultra suction power. It tackles pet hair effortlessly.
The LiDAR navigation is a game changer. It maps my home perfectly.
As a busy professional, it saves me so much time. I love the dual spinning mop.
It really protects my carpet from wear, making it perfect for a busy household.
Experience spotless, effortless cleaning with the Lefant M3 robot vacuum. Visit our website to grab yours today